No contact rule after a breakup. What should you do? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Camant. I am your relationship expert and today I want to tell you exactly everything you need to know about the no contact rule and why is it so powerful. Before to share with you my secrets and my experience, I want to make sure that you will destroy the like button. I need you for the YouTube algorithm. And of course, I want you to subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Yes, amazing because you can hear Coach Natalie, Coach Abby, Coach Adrian, and myself to give you some tips in order to overcome a breakup, get your ex back, and build a long-lasting relationship. So, what is the no contact exactly and why is it so powerful? Why everyone is talking about this technique? So, after a breakup, what will happen? You want to talk about your love, your feelings, you want to find solution. The problem is it's too late. Your ex-partner will not want to spend time to find solution. They just decided that it was done. And so our job is to make sure that we will do the right action at the right time. This is how we can get back with the one we love. The no contact is a powerful technique because it allows us to create kind of a miss for your ex. So your ex will start to miss you. Your ex will start to ask questions to himself or herself. Why is she or he not contacting me? This is weird. So basically your ex will start to focus on you and not the past or the mistake from the relationship. So the no contact is just an amazing tool to create the miss in your ex mind and of course to make your ex consider that you are able to change. Instead of trying to convince your ex, trying to talk to your ex, trying to find a solution, this is just putting you kind of like chasing your ex, being needy, begging your ex, which is not what we want. With the no contact, we will work directly on the balance of power. I know this is a strange expression, but it's very important for you to understand that as human, we value what we don't have. And so the best action you can do is to do nothing. Because when you ignore your ex, you're just not giving them attention. And this is not something that they will like. They made the decision, whatever situation you are, whatever the reason that he or she decided to break up with you, you will be in a situation where your ex will see that you're not giving him, giving her attention. And they are looking for it. They are seeking for attention because it means control. So what we need to do right now is to not be afraid of getting back with the control by using the no contact. No contact means absolutely no first step for you. Not texting, calling, asking to go out. This is a no. We want your ex to think about you, come talk to you, and realize how much you have changed. This is what the no contact is about. So basically, it's based off the length of your relationship. If you were together for 2 weeks, it makes no sense to do a 30 days no contact. The no contact will be like longer than the relationship. That makes no sense. You can do a shorter no contact. If you were in a relationship for 30 years and your ex-wife, ex-husband is just mad at you, we will have to do more than 3 or 4 weeks because it's very important to show that we have a 360 degrees change. Very important. 360 degrees change. The way you dress, the way you stand, your professional life, your personal life, your friend's life, your family life, your spiritual life, everything. We need to make a makeover of your life, basically. And so that's why I always say that there is not one perfect no contact. There is a lot of no contact and you need to make sure that you will maximize this technique based on the length of your relationship, the fact that your ex is mad or not too mad, because the negative emotion have a big impact on the duration of the no contact. If you want to know why the no contact is very powerful, it's because it is directly linked to a human characteristic. As human, we value what we don't have. So if you're talking every day to your ex, they will just take you for granted. If you stop talking to them, in the beginning they will be okay. But after a couple of days and weeks, they will ask themselves, what is happening? Why is my ex not chasing me? Why is my ex not begging me? Why is my ex so distant? And that's where we want, because we will be part of their brain, an unconscious mind, and they will think about you. And at this moment, they will be open to see if you have changed or not. Because if you continue to beg your ex, there is no open situation. It's just not possible. Doesn't make sense. That's why we need to continue doing the no contact, putting the work to show that you're changing and your life will be different. Once you have these results, I can guarantee you that everything will change. You will be the happiest person in the world. You will be able to get your ex back and to rebuild a new relationship. Remember, no contact is very important. And also the no contact will just help you balance the relationship. It's not only about communication. Sometimes we need distance. We need time to think about it. And that's why you need to trust yourself. So make sure that you define the length of your no contact for now. Make sure that you do a lot of actions to not focus on the past, but to stay focused on the present moment, today's world. And the last thing I wanted to share with you is like, you will make your ex missing you, but don't fall directly. I have seen this situation hundreds of times. Alex, I'm so happy my ex come back, told me that finally he or she loves me, I'm so happy. And then they will start relationship where they are talking to each other every single hour. If it's the case, your ex will leave you again. Why? Because you will be too needy, too available for your ex. So even if you get back together, remember to keep your personal life. It is very important. I will see you soon for a new video, but remember, you need to smash the like button and you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We have a lot of content just for you. Now, if you want to go further, just click in the description box below. I attached a link to a long and private video. You need to watch this long and private video if you want to understand exactly how to use the no contact. This is just an amazing video. And also, if you want to go further, just come on my website, FrenchRelationshipExpert.com. You have tons of articles and good news. You can book a private coaching session with the team or myself. Imagine just talking on your situation for 30 minutes and I will give you the action plan. What do you need to do to get your ex back? So it's serious. It's serious because I know the pain today, but we can give you the actions that you need to do right now. Click in the description box below, join withmyexagain.com, and I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.